Canada travel, country lifestyle, food, animals, hospitals, buildings, and people. Life introduction. Canada is one of the most beautiful and peaceful countries in the world. It is known for its natural beauty, modern cities, clean environment, and friendly people. Canada is located in North America and is the second largest country in the world by land area. People from many cultures live here, which makes Canada diverse and welcoming. Lifestyle in Canada. The lifestyle in Canada is modern, safe, and well organized. People enjoy a balanced life between work and personal time. Most Canadians follow rules, respect laws, and value punctuality. Work hours are fixed and weekends are usually free. Families spend time together, go to parks, travel, and enjoy outdoor activities. Education, health, and personal freedom are very important in Canadian society. Life is calm, stress is low compared to many countries, and people focus on quality of life. Food in Canada. Canadian food is a mix of many cultures. Traditional Canadian foods include poutine, fries with cheese curds and gravy, maple syrup, very famous worldwide, salmon and seafood, beaver tails, sweet pastry. You can also find food from all over the world, like Indian, Pakistani, Chinese, Italian, and Middle Eastern food. Halal food is easily available in big cities. Restaurants are clean, food quality is high, and hygiene standards are strong. Animals in nature. Canada is famous for its wildlife and natural beauty. You can find bears, moose, deer, wolves, beavers. Canada has large forests, mountains, lakes, and national parks. People respect animals and nature. Hunting is controlled by law, and wildlife is protected. Many tourists visit Canada to enjoy snow, forests, waterfalls, and northern lights. Hospitals and Healthcare Canada has one of the best healthcare systems in the world. Hospitals are modern, clean, and well equipped. Doctors and nurses are professional and well trained. Healthcare is mostly free for citizens and permanent residents through government health insurance. Emergency services are fast, and patient care is taken seriously. Private clinics are also available for quick services. Buildings and infrastructure. Canadian cities have modern and beautiful buildings. Famous cities include Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, Calgary, Ottawa. Buildings are strong, safe, and well planned. Roads, bridges, airports, and public transport systems are excellent. Cities are clean, and greenery is everywhere. Skyscrapers, shopping malls, offices, and residential buildings show modern architecture. People, life, and culture. Canadian people are polite, friendly, and respectful. They believe in equality and human rights. People greet each other with a smile and respect personal space. Canada is a multicultural country. People from different religions, languages, and backgrounds live together peacefully. Freedom of speech and religion is respected. Men and women have equal rights. Children, elderly people, and disabled individuals are well cared for. Conclusion. Canada is a perfect travel destination for those who love nature, modern life, safety, and peace. Its lifestyle, food, wildlife, healthcare system, beautiful buildings, and kind people make it one of the best countries in the world. If you want a country with opportunity, beauty, and respect, Canada is a dream destination.